angel, Ethan. Look at that. Look at Ethan's snow angel.
That's Ayla's snow angel.
Yeah.
She has a wreck in her face. Wrecks all over her body.
Oh yeah.
Maybe I put the wig over her body.
Yeah.
No wig.
There you go. Big fist. Lay down, Ethan. I took a picture. No, look. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at that. Back up. I want to see it.
That was good, Ethan.